Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stock in Thinkorswim. First, log into your Thinkorswim account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Trade tab located at the top of the platform interface. Here, you will find the essential order entry tools. These tools are crucial for initiating any stock purchase. Familiarize yourself with their layout before proceeding. This initial step ensures you are in the correct section to begin your trading journey effectively. After reaching the Trade tab, locate the Order Entry module. Input the ticker symbol of the stock you intend to purchase into the designated field. Next, specify the exact number of shares you wish to acquire. Carefully select your preferred order type. Common options include a market order for immediate execution at the current price, or a limit order to buy at a specific price or better. Understanding these choices is key to successful trading. Before finalizing your purchase, it is vital to thoroughly review all the details of your order. Double-check the stock symbol, the quantity of shares, and the chosen order type to prevent any errors. Pay close attention to the estimated cost of your trade, which includes commissions and fees. Once you are completely satisfied that all information is accurate, confirm your order to send it to the market. This careful review helps ensure your trade aligns with your intentions. After confirming your order, you can monitor its status by navigating to the Monitor tab within the Thinkorswim platform. Here, you will see if your order is pending, partially filled, or fully executed. Understanding these different statuses helps you track your investment. Keep an eye on your positions to stay informed about your portfolio's performance. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This helps you stay connected and informed while managing your trades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.